Well, hello my friends, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a pair of heated gloves. So these would make a great gift for your man or woman in your life, or to be quite honest, a great gift for yourself, your father, your mother. Now it comes with a really nice soft storage bag, carrying bag, a user guide. You probably won't need this because I'm going to go over most of the features for you. However, there are a lot of safety things that you need to read, so you won't need it to learn how to use this. I'm going to teach you guys right away. Oh, wow. I'm already excited, my friends. All right, so first of all, they provide you with the charging plug and cable. Now this allows you to charge both of your batteries for your gloves at one time. You don't have to charge one, then take it out, charge the other, take it out. The gloves come connected. All you have to do is press the button here and they disconnect, and you can push it again inside to connect. The gloves are really nice and soft. So you got this, I don't know if it's real leather, but you have this leather type material right here. And then you have these different leather, basically safety points on here to help, keep it soft. Let's actually go ahead and show you guys over here. Unzipper. Go ahead and pull out the battery. You're going to have a battery in each one. The battery is going to be just like this. It's a 7.4 volt, 3000 mAh. battery. And again, to charge it, you just simply connect it like this, plug it in like that, and then plug this into your wall outlet. This will probably turn green when it's done or red when it's charging. That's typically how they work. It might not, but that's normally how they work. And then once your battery is charged, you go ahead and pull out the cable that's inside the glove. Plug this in just like that. And then you go ahead and stick the battery right back inside. Make sure you zipper it up. Okay. Now over here you have your on off button. You press and hold to turn it on. And now you can see the circles are the battery life right up in here. And you would press to change the modes. So full bars that are lit up, that means it's on high. That means it's on medium. That means it's on low. And then let's go back to high, and you press and hold to turn it off. So we're going to go ahead and see how fast it heats up and show you guys some more features. Okay, so first of all, we want to go in here, and there's going to be this strap in here, and you may wonder, well, what's this for? Well, this is for putting your hand through here like that, and then put your hand, so it's going to be connected to your wrist. Put your hand in here, and that way, if you need a quick take off your glove, all you got to do is go like that, and you don't lose your glove. So for whatever emergency, whatever reason, you got to get your glove off your hand, all you got to do, pull it out, and your glove stays connected, just like that. All right, let's go over. As you guys see, look how wide that is. Oh no, we're going to get snow inside our arm. Nope, all you do, pull this, and you just keep pulling it, like that. And there you go. Now it's skin tight. And when you're done, all you have to do is press the button on the top here and pull out. There you go. That's simple. You also have a strap for your wrist. And this is very simple as well. You just pull this out and you make that tight as you want. It's that simple. And then you just simply, right here, pull up and it loosens right back up. They designed this perfectly. We're going to go ahead and power this on full heat, see how long it takes to heat up. Overall, guys, the glove fit really nice. So it's a very, very nice fit. I take a size large. This is size large, and it fits perfectly. You're able to move your fingers really good, as you guys can see. Even though it's a bigger glove, it fits really good. It's not like, it's bulky, but it's not overly bulky. It's like perfect. It's the perfect thickness, and wow, I can feel the heat already heating up. That is crazy. Normally it takes probably 2 to 4 minutes for you to actually notice any heat, but this is actually heating up right away. Wow. This is really nice. This is definitely in the top 5 heated gloves I've ever reviewed. For it to heat up this fast, that's definitely in the top 3. Getting close to being number 1. As far as comfortability, we gotta turn that off. That is really warm. Wow. I can't believe that heated up that fast. That's actually probably the fastest a glove is heated up. Wow. Yeah, this glove's definitely in the top 3, I'm gonna say, that I've ever reviewed, and I've probably reviewed about 10, 15. Wow. This is really nice. This was designed perfectly. I honestly wouldn't change anything about this glove. How it's set up, how it heats, how nice it feels. Wow. I wouldn't change a thing about this glove. This is really nice. And look at that. It's easy to fold too. I mean, this is definitely in the top 3 gloves I've ever reviewed. Love it.